As the next part in Python, we are going to create patterns using Python. So we have to open the software, application, programming, ideally. To open a new window, click on File, New File. So here we are going to create a pattern using squares. So we need 6 square to create this pattern. So the first statement is from total import asterisk, then enter pen size 3, then enter. So here we are using the for loop statement. So for I in range, opening bracket 6, closing bracket colon, then enter, write 60, then enter. So this 2 lines defines how many times the turtle has to turn. So it has to turn 6 times in 60-degree angle. So next we are going to give the for j in range, opening bracket 4, closing bracket, then colon, then enter, forward 100, then enter, right 90. So this is the program. So here for j in range 4 means for a square we have 4 sides, that is 4. Then forward 100 means the turtle has to move 100 to draw the line or each of the side of the square. Then it has to turn 90 degree to draw the line. The angle of the square is 90 degree. Okay, now we will save this. So file, save as, standard 10, give the file name as Python 8, then click on the save button. So now we will run this program, run module. So here you can see the turtle is drawing the pattern. So as the next program, we will draw the same pattern using a blue color. So this is a program for drawing the same pattern using a blue line. So here you can see the first 4 lines are the same. Then as the 5th line we have given color, opening bracket, inside the double quotes blue. Then the other 6th, 7th and the 8th line is same as the previous program. So here the only line we have added is color, opening bracket, inside the double quotes blue. So this program will draw the Python pattern in a blue color. So now we will save this, file menu, save as, then I am giving the file name as Python 11 and click on the save button. So we will run this program, run menu, run module. So now we can see the turtle has drawn the Python program using a blue color. As the next activity, we will draw each square using different colors. So this is the Python program to draw the same pattern of squares using different colors. Here we have given color blue, and here as a third line we have given CLR. CLR means color, then equal to square brackets, and we have given the 6 different colors, and we have closed the square bracket. In the next line I have given for I in CLR. I in CLR means this 6 colors. So instead of here color blue, we have changed this. Then here for I in range 6 we have given because we need 6 squares. But here instead of that 6 squares we have given the 6 colors. So that is why we have given for I in CLR. Then the next other lines are the same. Instead of color blue here, we have given color I. Color I means I is a variable that holds the CLR. That is for I in CLR. Then CLR means the 6 different colors. So now we will save the program. So click on file menu, save as. I have given the file name as Python 12. Click on the save button. Now we will run this program. Run menu, run module. So now you can see the Python has drawn the same pattern with different color. So as the next activity, we will learn to fill each squares using different colors. So this is a Python program for filling each squares with a different color. So here you can see, instead of color I have given here in this program color, inside the double quotes black, then comma I. So here black means we are going to create the outline of the squares using a black color, and we are going to fill the color inside it. And as the next statement I have given, begin underscore fill brackets. That means I am going to fill different colors. I am going to fill color in the square. The next three statements are the same. And as the last statement, after write 90° closing bracket, press the enter key, give one backspace, align this enter underscore fill brackets in the same line of begin underscore fill brackets, because then only this command will work. So end underscore fill bracket means we are stopping the filling of color in the square. So now we will save this. File menu, then save as, giving the file name as Python 14, and click on the save button. Now we will run this program, run menu, run module. So here you can see this Python program is filling the squares with different colors. So now we will learn to fill this same Python pattern using a single color. So this is the Python program to draw squares with single color. Now we will learn to fill the squares with a single color. This is a Python program to fill these squares with a single color, and this is the program of this pattern. So here you can see, here we have given color blue. So the Python has drawn this pattern using a blue color, but here we have given color black, comma blue. That means the outline should be in black and the color to be filled is blue. And next, here we have given another statement, begin fill. Begin fill means we have to start filling the color, and at the end we have given end fill. So now we will save this program, file menu, then save as. So I given the file name as Python 13 and click on the save button. Now we will run this program, run module. So now you can see this pattern is filling the squares with a single color. So here in this program we are drawing the pattern using different colors, and in this program we are filling this pattern with different colors. And here in this program we are drawing this pattern with a single color, and here in this program we are filling this pattern using a single color. So these are the programs what we have learned. To quit from this window, you have to click on File, Exit.